This is X-Drill. It's the drill reimagined. If one was to make, or imagine if you will, a drill today, what would it consist of? Sure, it would have to be a terrific drill, but what else? You'd probably want a way to help you know exactly where to drill without the help of a measuring tape and a pencil. It should also have a system that stops the drill when you've reached the right depth. It should let you know if you're leveled, and, as everything today, it should have a touchscreen. X-Drill's got all that and more. It's made for pros, and also amazing for beginners. Basically, it's got everything to make drilling so much simpler. X-Drill is first and foremost a terrific drill. Our motor is brushless, the battery is 21 volts with a 3-hour work rate per charge. The drill works both forward and reverse, and its high-speed low torque reaches 2000 RPM, while low-speed high torque goes up to 600. In case you're not a drill buff, all that technical jargon means our drill can go through the hardest surfaces and do so precisely. We also made sure the grip is ergonomic and comfortable to use, and that the drill will come in regular and very manly red with flames. Nah, we're kidding about that one, but our design is slick enough to appreciate. Then comes the reimagined part. X-Drill is the first ever smart drill. First, there are the two lasers, one in the front and one on the bottom. Here's how they eliminate measuring tape and pencil. Just hold the drill where you want to drill. The lasers measure the distance from the floor and the sidewall. We call that drill point coordinates. That is oh so much time saving for the advanced drillers and will allow beginners not to be left with a wall with more holes than the plot of a soap opera.
Yo soy tu hermano.
Now, while drilling, you want to know if your drilling is level. X-Drill's digital leveler, that ball in the middle of the touchscreen, lets you know you're leveled as you drill, not after. Bye-bye, physical leveler. We don't hate you. It's just we wanted to make things as simple as the music of boy band songs. Then our imagination came up with auto set features. A smart drill allows for that. First, there's depth control. Set up how many inches or centimeters you want to go into the wall, and the drill stops automatically when you reach it. Second is custom angle leveling. Tap, save an angle, and any two holes you drill will have the same angle. And finally, auto set allows you to automatically set torque speed according to the material you're working with and the size of the drill bit. Of course, you can still adjust torque manually. We're here to improve, not extract. Since it's smart, X-Drill comes with an app with useful information. You can set it to save measurements, find your tool, lock it if it's stolen, set up user profiles, get usage data, runtime torque and speed, and keep count of the number of times you dropped the drill. Yeah, but you didn't even think that's a thing. We did. X-Drill is made by Robbox, people who truly love construction and DIY, but are also really into tech. They understand the need of a power tool to remain what it is, a great power tool, but also want a tech to do what it does best, make life easier. So they reimagined the drill. So if you want a terrific drill with extras that'll make drilling so much easier, get X-Drill.
Introducing a new breed of cordless tools, the M12 Fuel 5/8" SDS Plus rotary hammer from Milwaukee. Milwaukee has combined the industry's most advanced technologies, providing up to 2 times more runtime, up to 75% faster drilling, and 5/8" drilling capacity. The exclusive Power State brushless motor delivers an unmatched power-to-size ratio and is optimized to perform the most common concrete drilling applications on the job site. Patented RedLink Plus electronics provide total tool communication for maximum performance and extended life. Utilizing Red Lithium XE 4.0 battery packs, the tool provides up to 2 times more runtime and up to 2 times more recharges than leading competitors. Compact and powerful, the M12 Fuel rotary hammer is designed for overhead drilling applications and features an electro-pneumatic mechanism, 2-mode operation, a convenient battery fuel gauge, and is compatible with the entire M12 system, now offering over 50 cordless solutions. The M12 Fuel 5/8" SDS Plus rotary hammer from Milwaukee.
Introducing the RIDGID Octane Hammer Drill, delivering best-in-class torque with Octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output, allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged three-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. And an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed Octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with RIDGID Octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the RIDGID Octane hammer drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with Octane batteries. The RIDGID Octane hammer drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size and lightest weight. 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20 plus 1 clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.